Hi guys, sorry for the low lighting. I better get some more light in here. Hey Rio. It's Rio. Don't give me that sad face. Anyways, hi guys. It's 8 o'clock and I am at home now. I just drove Mike to work. Actually, I brought him into work early. We left it around 4:45 in the morning just to get to his work by 6. It actually didn't take us that long. It took us the normal amount of time. The fact that there were barely any people on the road really helped, but there was a ton of snow that accumulated overnight, and the snowplows hadn't gotten to all of it yet. So our subdivision is, my neighborhood is pretty filled with snow. I'll give you guys a quick look. And this isn't even the worst of it. This is like the little tiny bit that's going on right now. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see the snow falling, but it's a ton of snow. And I believe they plowed the roads. No. Lady. No walls. But the snow it's picking up, the wind's picking up. We're expecting gusts of up to 40 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. And it's just gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna spend most of my morning working out. I just had a little piece of watermelon and I had water. I know, but I'm not a big breakfast person, so yeah. Anyways, the workout video will be going up on my new channel, my weight loss channel. It's gonna be like a prog vlog, let's say. And I'm going to do this and try and do the whole new Shayloss thing, or the competition between Shay, Carl, and Philip DeFranco. And they're having a competition to see who can lose the most weight in a certain amount of time. And yeah, so they're both and winner donates $2,000 to the charity of their choice. But they do want people to join in. So if you're up to it, if you want to do it, or if you feel like you want to but are unsure, do it. I think it would be great if they had a lot of supporters and a lot of help, and not to mention the communities that actually listen to these guys. They're very supportive of them. I know I watch both. I do lean over to the Shay Carl side. My Wi-Fi just turned off, but it's good. And I've been doing Wii Fit now every single day, minus yesterday, because I can't work out with people yelling at me, telling me how I'm pretty much the worst daughter in the world, and it's really hard to work out with such negativity. So I'm doing it with nobody around. Nobody's home. They all left. So I'm all alone, and I'm gonna work out today. I'm gonna be doing Wii Fit workouts. Today I'm gonna be working out until around 11:30 until I have to leave. And hopefully that'll give me energy, because I know that when I'm driving and I see snow flying at my face, I get mesmerized. I don't know if that happens to you guys, but it's like, it's so mesmerizing watching the drifting snow. And it's just, I don't know. That must be crazy or something, but yeah. I'm gonna do this weight loss challenge. It's more of a challenge and a battle between Shay Carl and Phil DeFranco, but I want to take part and do my own challenge. And my own challenge is to work out every day, doing light workouts to tone up and to lose weight. I'm not building muscle or anything, but lately I've been having more stamina. I haven't been sore after every workout. Um, but yeah, I feel good and I'm losing weight, and it is awesome because I've already lost about 3 inches off my waist, which is awesome. And I think it's all water weight, but who cares? I'm losing weight, right? So, um, yeah, it'll be on um, my new channel. I will put a link down here and go check it out, I guess. Or if you want, join me in my challenge. I know I have a prog blog for my weight loss challenge on Tumblr. If you guys want to check that out, I could give out my password, and it's pretty much if you want to post something and you want to tell somebody about your progress, and pretty much you can post your progress and how you're doing things, what your eating schedule is like to help other people out. That would be cool too. Um, Otherwise, it's pretty much starting out to be as my own prog blog, but I'm hoping if people want to join me, that'd be awesome. And I have a really big backstory to why I'm so fat, and I don't know, I think it's time to kind of get out of that shell and just break away from the stress and the anxiety, and just to not care about what others think. I already tried to work out in the past, and like I've tried different diets. Like I've tried the Special K diet. It does work, but you get really sick and tired of Special K after a while. And actually I haven't had Special K in a long time. But anyways, I found myself counting calories more and more, and it's just driving me crazy. Like how there's so many calories in everything, and it's just made me just absolutely freak. So I'm like barely eating now. But I do eat, and I try not to eat past 9, but it's so difficult in my household because my parents are just so overbearing and just so negative and stressful, and it kills me. And the stress and all you know, the burdens that I have to carry on my shoulders. Like, at first, when I worked out, I felt great, you know, and then they would just come home and start yelling at me, and it's like, I didn't do anything. So, it's just hard because then I go back, comfort foods, fatty stuff, and like, oh my gosh, I'm so upset, I need like a drumstick or something. Or, oh my gosh, there's brownies in there. My mom just yelled at me. I'll go have a couple brownies and a freaking big thing of whole milk. Like, that to me, I think I'm over that. I don't really do that anymore. I kind of do. Like, sometimes when I think I'm not hungry, there's sometimes I think I'm hungry, but I'm not, and I'm actually full. Um, but it's all about discipline and just being persistent. Oh my god, the snow's holy crap, it's getting worse. I just saw the huge flakes through the blinds. Woo! Oh wait, I'll open the door. You guys want to go outside? Go ahead. Snowflakes are huge. They're freaking ginormous. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's crazy out there. Yeah, you guys can see. But it's getting worse. Come on, come inside. Latte, stop eating snow. Latte. Come inside. Hey, come inside. Come in here. Come here. Gosh, you are so old. Yeah, there's snowflakes on her back. But yeah, this is getting really long. So I'm going to get going. I'm going to post this up right now. Check out my weight loss vlog. Link is going to be down here. It has no videos yet, but it's going to start today. And yeah, sorry if it's not in HD. I won't be using my phone for that, unfortunately. I'm going to be using a different camera. And yeah, we'll see how I do. Hopefully I can lose as much weight as I can. And yeah, it's... yeah. Alright guys, hope you stay healthy, stay happy, don't let anybody get you down. And just hope you guys are having a good day today. If you are in Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, anywhere in the Midwest and in northeastern states, yeah, be careful out there. Snow apocalypse. They said this is the biggest snowstorm, biggest line of snow. And not to mention, the bottom half of the eastern side of the U.S., be careful. Ice is bad. And yeah, just stay safe, guys. I haven't heard of any crashes yet, but stay safe, drive safe. Don't drive like an idiot. If you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to drive fast. If some guy is tailing your butt, you don't have to go fast for that guy, because the guy behind you that's tailing your ass, he's gonna be the one causing the accident. And if he hits you, he's paying for it. So yeah, just be careful. Don't drive like a crazy person. If you don't feel comfortable driving out in the snow, don't drive. Stay at home in the comfort of your home. I wish I could call a place home. Actually, that place is in California. Anyways, have a good day, guys. This is done. It's too long. I'm sorry. Bye.